Sharp looking street rod here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1929 Ford Model A street rod. It's known as the 3-deuce coupe due to the fact the 283 V8 underneath the hood has 3 deuces on it, Edelbrock intake, roller cam and rocker engine, automatic transmission with overdrive 700 R4, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the chrome up front. Nicely built. This one's made to go down the road, no doubt about it. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Boyd Coddington wheels, as you can see, drilled and slotted rotors up front as well as in the rear. And don't remember if I mentioned all steel body. It does have the saddle tanks on each side, so 2 fuel tanks on it. You can see paint shows well. It's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. Now I mentioned coupe. This is not a convertible top. It'd be a fabric top. Battery's located in the trunk, and there is a disconnect on there. Also an amp back there, I believe, for the stereo. You'll be able to take a look in the pictures and check that out. Some custom pinstriping on the rear of this car. And there it is, the 3-deuce coupe. Dual exhaust with Flowmasters. A couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes are like new. Drives out very well, brakes straight. All right, 9-inch Ford rear end. MSD ignition. We're going to check this out in just a little bit. When we start it up, you're going to be able to hear it run. We'll check out underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. If you like these street rods, or maybe Model A's in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. As you can see, glass is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint. And speaking of windows, they are power windows, and they are hooked up live, as you can see. Work, tilt column, nice gauge setup in this too. There, give you a good look at the gauges. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Great sounding car also. Vintage AC. There's the controls. Stereo system. Custom install up above. Little prints for you. Seating area looks good, nice custom interior, and it hasn't been chopped, so there's some headroom in there. Oh, listen to this. Sounding good. Let me go ahead and let's get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive, take you on a virtual ride. All right, hood pop, both sides. Kind of cool setup. You could display at a show like that. There's those 3 deuces. Edelbrock intake manifold, headers. Again, power steering, power brake booster below the car, of course. AC does blow cold. It's got a new compressor on it. Be a fun one for your show. Is 1929 Ford Model A street rod call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1929 Ford Model A. This would be a street rod in red. Well done interior. Custom stitching. Bucket seats. Aftermarket steering wheel. Our gauges are aftermarket from SW. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Our fuel gauge is reading about 1/8 of a tank. Speedometer is working, tachometer is working. Water temperature 160. The AC is blowing cold in this car for great comfort in driving. The oil pressure is 60 pounds to 65 pounds. Volts are about 13.5 over here on the gauge. We've got a tilt column. Radio overhead on the headliner. I've not tested CD, but FM is working. Power windows. Firm yet smooth ride from this street rod. Very responsive steering, just a little slack in the wheel. Not a lot, actually. It's easy to drive. Our windows are looking good. There's no cracks in the glass that I can see. Brakes nice and smoothly. Waiting for some traffic. There we go. Not overly loud. There's a great rumble coming out the back of this car, but it's comfortable to drive. The corner's amazingly flat. There's very little weight, and it's nice and low, so it corners very well. Take a look at all the pictures of this 29 Model A street rod at uniqueclassiccars.com.